Hi everybody, I have just finished scoring on a huge sale at Kimmberly Capone Yorkdale, and I know you're dying to find out what I bought this time. So let me just finish bringing this in and I'll start opening everything up. All right, let's start with the bags. You want to check out to see what's inside? Here we go. In bag number one, I need a drum roll. Oh my goodness, don't you love this vase? Isn't it stunning? Don't ask me what I'm putting inside yet. I need some orchids. Hey Kim, how many? What else is in here? Oh my goodness, I bought so many things I don't even remember what I bought, but it was really exciting. I think I bought out the whole store. It took me maybe just an hour and a half, but it felt probably like a long time. But once again, Vinette, you were so helpful and thank you very much. Yes, I bought some of these most amazing candles. They're battery operated. I don't have a battery in it right now because I didn't buy the batteries. But when you turn them on, you can either have it on an on setting or you can actually put it on a timer. So when you come home, your candles can already be lit and they're beautiful. So I bought one. Ooh, maybe I broke one. How many did I buy? So exciting. So exciting. Oh my gosh. 2. And, oh, that doesn't feel like a candle. So let's find out what this one is. What else did I get? Oh, yes, yes, yes. I know what this is. Everybody needs an 8th note. Well, if you have an amazing musical theme like I do, you want to purchase some beautiful accessories that are in the theme. So I got a music note. Love that. Maybe I'll put it over at the piano. And my favorite, it is called lemongrass and ginger. You're wondering what's inside? Okay, I'll open it up to show you. It's really nice to come home and have a beautiful smelling house. Not like the dog that I have, but something much more fresh. So here are the sticks, and here is the vial with the beautiful scent of lemongrass and ginger. And all you have to do is stick the sticks inside the top, actually after you open it up, and give it a few minutes. And once the sticks have absorbed the scent, it actually diffuses into the air and it smells absolutely beautiful. So, well, I didn't just buy one of those, but, well, I had to buy 4 because I don't ever want to run out. Very exciting. Well, that's the end of that bag. So let's keep going. What's in this one? Oh, I love this. Another vase, and I'll put some beautiful orchids. Hello. I'll put some beautiful orchids inside. Isn't that cool? I can sound like somebody else. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on top of my toilet in the bathroom, maybe with some beautiful orchids, because you just want everywhere to look lovely in your home. But this is gorgeous. It came in 3 different sizes, but I decided to purchase the largest size. I love it. And then let's carry on. Ooh, everybody needs some beautiful throws. So this is a beautiful cable knit, dark gray throw, which will be super for next winter or the fall. And well, since I got a dark gray one, I also thought that I should get a nice cable knit light gray one too. All right, isn't it beautiful? And they're really big. Look at this. That will look fantastic. Can't wait to use it. Or the air conditioning, because it's summertime almost. And so when you come home and your house is a little bit chilly because the air conditioning's been running all day long, you can wrap yourself up in a throw. Or of course you could turn down your air conditioning, but who would think of that? Okay, let's open up. I think that this must be the 3rd candle. And your guess is correct. The price is right. I bought another candle. Love them. And finally, what's in this bag number 2 or bag number 3? Oh, love this picture frame. So this is a beautiful black and chrome picture frame. I think it's really gorgeous and it will look perfect in my basement because I have a lot of black accessories and chrome accessories in my basement. So I think that's fantastic. Pardon my back. We're not done yet. I still have something in another bag. What's in this one? Oh, a lampe berger. Had to get another one because I love these. Let's just figure out how to open the box. There we go. Because I know you want to see what style this one is. I chose a really elegant style. I have some that are a little more modern looking. So I won't put the whole thing together, but I just love this bottle. And once again, you can get many scents to go inside. And if you've never used a lampe berger, well then in my next episode, I will show you how to use the lampe berger. And if you don't have one, you're gonna wanna get one after because they actually help to purify the air. And once again, makes everywhere smell great. Okay, moving right along. We've got some big ticket items. Let's check this out. Love this. And you're gonna love it too. I love this white and silver abstract contemporary piece of art. I think this is stunning. And I love the little glitteries that you can find inside. Isn't it beautiful? I know you're dying to find out where I'm going to hang this, but I'm not going to tell you yet. I'm going to leave you hanging. And so not only did I get one, but for exactly where I want to hang them, I did need to get 2. So I'm just going to unwrap the second one. I love this. It feels like Christmas. The only difference is I spent my own money. Okay. I know. See, I got 2. Isn't it beautiful though? Look at that gorgeous design. And it's a little bit textured too. It's not flat. Awesome. Okay. There are maybe 2 more big ticket items to go. And then I'll clean up my mess. Look at this one. I know you're probably looking around my house already thinking, well, where is she putting all this stuff? But I'm not going to tell you right now. Every single thing that I did buy, though, has a place in my mind of where it's going to look fantastic. And, well, you know, we want to live with things that we love. So I love everything that I purchased today. And look at this one. It is so amazing to have beautiful quality mirrors in the home. And I think that this beveled designed mirror is absolutely stunning. I love the beveled pieces around and that it's just got an interesting design. I think that looks fantastic. Beautiful. I think I'm doing really well. Okay, let's put it over here. Finally, you've got to check this one out. Oh my goodness. Can you see me walking through Yorkdale Mall with all of this? I actually had to borrow the cart and wheel my way through the mall. And I prayed that nothing fell off the cart because really to drive one of those things you need a license. But I did pretty well. And doesn't it feel fantastic when you walk through a mall with lots of purchases? You kind of feel like the Aunt's pants. I can't even open this. I taped it so well. Okay, we are almost there. Well, almost. It's going to be very suspenseful because I actually really taped it. So we're going to do the old tearing job. Oh, I like this. I don't want to give it away yet. All right, just watching me open this is going to take half an hour. Here we go. Oh, look at this gorgeous mirror. I love it. Oh yeah, almost. I love this. Here we go. Oh, oh yeah. Whew. Look at this stunning mirror. I love the foil design around the perimeter of the mirror. I think that this is stunning. And like all of the mirrors, you can either decide to hang it vertically or horizontally. I'm not going to tell you the direction that I hang mine because you're just going to have to wait and see. But you know what? I wanted to unpack. Oh my goodness! I wanted to unpack with you. And guess what? I thought I was done. I'm not. There's one more. Oh yeah. The excitement continues. Okay, let's check this one out. Oh goodness, I did a really good taping job on all of these. I mean, I could get scissors, but it's much more fun to watch me struggle. So, we're almost there. And pretty soon we will see what's inside of this package. Oh yeah, it's coming down. It's always good to bubble wrap all of these delicate pieces. And well, you know what, you can just bubble wrap it because, well, we don't have all day. I was always one of those people though, when I was opening up Christmas presents, I would actually just try to very carefully lift at the seams and I wouldn't destroy the wrapping paper. So thanks for watching me struggle on that. But look at this gorgeous, gorgeous tray, mirrored tray. Another beautiful piece. I love it. In fact, it reminds me, because it's of the same family, it reminds me of the beautiful square tray that I have on my coffee table. Yes, that one was also from Kimmberly Capone's, but I loved it so much that I also wanted to get the mirrored rectangular tray. So isn't that beautiful? I love it. And there's one more. Okay. Who's going to clean up all the paper? That's what children are for. Okay. So here's the final tray. Look at this one. I don't know. For some reason, this tray, again, another mirror tray, but the circles on it, I know it's not Coco Chanel. I know that. But for some reason, it just, with all the round circles, it just sort of reminds me of Coco Chanel. But I love this tray. And look at the mirror on the inside. And look at the chrome legs. I love that. And I love how all of Kim's trays are, of course, lined at the back, at the bottom, with felt. So there will be never any damage to the furniture that it rests on. Whew. Well, those are the purchases at the most amazing store that I absolutely love, Kimmberly Capone Interior Design. Stay tuned because they're actually leaving Yorkdale. but coming soon to Vaughan, Ontario, is a grand showroom. Just wait to see it. I'm actually going to be singing at the opening, so maybe you'll hear me sing. And I'm definitely going to buy more things. So once again, make sure that you are living with things that you love. And I love Kimmberly Capone Interior Design. See you next time.